think we got one on here. Yeah. He's on there. I don't think he's gonna be very big. I think, oh no, he's still on there. Morning, folks. We're out here, new place. We're out of Hoover Reservoir, out towards Columbus, Ohio. You son of a gun. Stay out of that other line. I think he came out. But out here today, it's a Friday. I took a couple days off work. Come out here and try this out. This was the first place I believe they stalked blue cats in Ohio. So there should be some bigger ones out here. I don't think this one's going to be real big. Nah, I don't think. Done. Go over on this side. Ain't not bad. We'll let her go. Keep going. All right, folks, just to show you what I'm doing here. Never fished here before. I'm doing well in shallow water. So what I did, I came up to the Oxbow boat launch, which is here, ran up a little bit and started dragging. I was in like 17, 18 feet of water when I started dragging. I'm now in 10 feet. But my plan is I'm just planning on coming up here to this upper end and dragging along, seeing if I can get into the fish. But this lake is horsepower restricted, so I can't run the big motor. I can only use my trolling motor, so that's going to limit. I can't really just take off, go to the other end of the lake to try something different. But been seeing a little bit on the fish finder, not a lot, although a lot of times in shallow water you don't see much. But we'll quit talking here and get back to it. You taking this one, Loretta? This one right here. I think he's still on there. Yeah, he's on there. There, you got it?
Yeah. Is that a planer board on this?
Yes. Been making our way up along. We're getting shallower. Actually going up, there's a flat right up here above us. We're actually getting up on it. We're right now in 8 feet of water, so gonna go just keep working our way shallower and shallower here. Get this one out of your way. But like I said, we've never been here before, so don't really know where's good, where's not good, but I assume there's probably a thermocline down in the deeper water. So that's part of the reason. Came up here. All right. Still on? Yeah. Here, bring it over a little closer. There we go. Ooh. That son of a gun splashed me. There he is.
He gone.
Just to show you what I'm doing here, I'm coming up along this edge. We caught that fish about right in here. And then I'm just continuing to make my way. You'll see there's kind of a... Wow, something big jumped right behind the boat there. Scared me. But gonna pull over this like little peninsula that's sticking out. It's underwater, obviously. Now I'm going over. You can see there's a main channel here that's a little bit deeper than the rest of this. Probably gonna go over and drag along the edge of it, see what, see if kind of leave a couple lines down in it and a couple up on this flat. So, see what happens. Ooh. I think I got one here. I believe. Got hit a little bit and then it went the opposite way or something. It was actually pulling the... Oh my. I might eventually. This fish went way to the side. Although right now we're only in 4 feet of water. Now he's coming back the other way. And good thing I don't have my motor down, so he can't get in the motor. Not a bad one.
You did that?
Ooh, he's fighting now. Yeah, go ahead. You always, huh?
It's heavy.
There we go. Pretty fish. Nicest one so far of the day. Not quite what we're looking for though yet. Hoping to get some over 20, 30 pound would be nice. Come on, let go. Let go. There you go. He gone. I think Loretta. Yeah, that one's got a fish on it. I wonder what happened. I was letting that line go back. He's up at the top of the water. I was letting that line go back and the planer board went under.
It's caught on there?
Yeah, he's...
No, I mean it's caught on that other line.
No.
Oh, I'm back here. I got it. I thought it was this one over here.
Just was letting that one go back, and like I said, the planer board went down. I thought that was pretty odd. We kind of came off. If you can see over here to the right, there's some logs and stuff laying there. But we're starting to drop back off. There, that peninsula kind of came through here that's underwater. This is the second fish we've actually picked up on it. We picked up one on the other side. This one was just as it was dropping off. But for new water here, we haven't done too bad so far. Keep your line down. We've been, right now we're using carp, which is probably going to be the video before this one, but I went and caught a bunch of carp yesterday. That's what we're using for bait right now. Yeah, not a bad one. You know what, let me grab, see how good he is hooked. I'll net him. I don't know if he's hooked real great. Ain't not bad, you gonna let him go?
Yeah, how do these ones work?
Just open them up. You get it?
Yeah.
Ooh, I think we got a fish on. It's been a while here, folks. Ooh. We turned around and we're going back down where we, actually just going through where we caught most of the fish on the first pass. Just got hooked up again here. We're going over that peninsula deal that like before. But we'd gone on up the lake, had a couple little bites, but nothing had hooked up. Try to get these rods out of the way. I don't know how long this one was actually on there. I was putting out a drift sock and stuff and then saw it was... Oh, I got it. But probably right now we're in 5-6 feet of water, I would guess.
5.4.
Ooh, that one's fighting a little bit anyway. Yeah, about like the other ones we got. There he is. At least the sun's on the right side this time. He gone. Ooh, Loretta, Loretta. Got a fish on. Yeah, he's on there, I think. All right, folks, it's getting 11:30 or so, I think. Know what time it is? Yeah, it's 11:30. We've been dragging for quite a while. We had one good hit that unfortunately didn't stay hooked up. But making our way along, we've just kept looping around up here, the upper end of the lake here. Had some trouble. The wind got real high there for a little bit. And then it's kind of slacked off now. It's not as bad. He's still on there?
I think so, yeah.
That's good. Yeah, fortunately he's not real big. There he is.
He gone.
That was kind of a sad he gone. I'm gonna leave that bait on there. We're not gonna fish too much longer. I think maybe I got something on here. This planer board was, yeah, or maybe it's hung up on the other line. Planer board was coming, dragging way up. Way farther than the other one. Might be a little fish. Yeah, I think something's on there. Yep. Actually, it's not that small of a fish.
You need the...
He must have just been swimming along.
You need the net?
Nah. Look at the mouth on that thing.
Ew. What's on it?
It's getting tore off. All right. Caught a fish. It's got a deformed mouth. Really kind of goofy looking. But must have had an injury when he was younger. But not a bad sized fish. That's why, kids, you should never choose snuff. That's what'll happen to you. Ooh, Loretta. Yeah, remember I just reeled the one in that we didn't know was on. I think he's still on there. He's the white pole. Is he on there still?
I think so.
Yeah, he's on there.
He's in.
No, I don't see. He's pulling. You can see the board moving. All right, folks. Probably getting about ready to call it a morning here. Getting almost noon. We're actually going to fish here tomorrow. Hopefully have another video for tomorrow's day. That's pretty good fish. Yeah, maybe not as big as I thought he was.
Why do you have to be so
I'm not being negative, but
negative?
we got an Airbnb for tonight. Gonna spend the night here and then fish again tomorrow. I think we got a fish on the other side there. Got one pulling funny over there.
I can't get this to release.
He's, pull it up.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. There we go.
He going now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got one over here. Thought something was up. That planer board was turned all around. Probably happened whenever she was reeling that one in. You want to let that other one go back a little bit?
Which one?
The one on that side. Most of the fish we've caught have been all up along on this side. I don't think it's too bad a fish. Still not the size we're looking for.
You want the net?
I don't know. Let me see here once I get it up. Just give me the tongs. You can click that one over now. All right, we'll let him go. She gone. All right, folks, it's about 12:30. We're gonna wrap this up, clean everything up, and probably go get us some lunch and then check into our Airbnb. So, had a pretty decent day. I forget, we caught what, 8 fish, we think? Somewhere around there.
I think 9.
Maybe 8 or 9 fish. So, pretty good morning for never being here before. Hopefully, tomorrow morning we can get into some bigger ones. So, anyway, I think that's it. We'll catch you next time.